Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I'm Kevin and thanks for stopping by. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and we'll keep bringing the videos. Oh man, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh man, look at that. Oh man, look at that. Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I'm Kevin and today I'm going to do some country style pork burnt ends is what I'm calling them. Okay, so here's my country style ribs. Each pack is different. I did have to trim some fat off a couple of these. Some of them are small. They do have bones. And like I did with my wet and sweet baby back ribs, I'm going to put some barbecue sauce for my binder. Just seemed to work out pretty good. Don't put it on very thick, just get enough on there so that your spices will stay on there. And I'm really not spicing up too much today because at the end result they're going to be slathered with barbecue sauce and baked in goodness. So just get some barbecue sauce on there. And I am going to use garlic pepper. That's my SPG, salt, pepper, garlic. This is garlic pepper. It does have bell peppers and salt and everything in it. Just going to put a little coat on that. I'm going to use some brown sugar bourbon. Another layer. It's kind of flaky. Not too heavy. And then today I'm also going to spice it up with some New Mexico red chili powder. This is from Chili Traditions down in Albuquerque. They do have a website. You can order it online. I don't work for them. I don't get paid for that. So I'm going to spice them up a little bit. Just one side. Okay, I'm going to flip them and do the other side. Okay, so today we're doing it at 250 and I'm using some Pit Boss hickory pellets. We're going to get these on the grill. Like that. We're going to let these go for about an hour. We'll be back. We'll check them probably about an hour and a half to 2 hours before we wrap them. So we'll be back in an hour. Okay, so we are 1 hour in. Got it set at 250. It's rolling at 240. One thing I forget to mention too, I don't normally fill up my hopper all the way because I like to change the pellets. And so make sure that if you don't fill it, come in here and you check it. See how it's got that little well down on the bottom? I made this so this lifts so I can put all the pellets back up to where they're going to drop in. You don't want your pellets to run out. Okay, 1 hour. All right, look at that. Yeah. All right. Okay, we're about 25 more minutes. Let's check them here. Feeling good. $7.68. Okay, I'm gonna get these off, get them. Okay, then we'll grab them out of the Pit Boss. We're going to put some butter on them. Get some brown sugar on them. Kind of like when you do your 3-2-1s. Some brown sugar. Okay. A little bit of honey. Yeah, the honey's a little hard. Might have honey. There we go. Okay. And I am actually going to sprinkle a little bit more red chili powder in here, just because I want them a little spicy and sweet. Not too much. I'm going to get them wrapped up carefully. I don't really want these bones to poke through the foil. Got them back on the smoker. Right, still running at 250. I think I said back in an hour. Put the foil pack back in here at 250. Actually, you turn it up to 350, so it's getting up there. Or I just turned it up there. Hey, we've been so 350 for an hour. 350. Let me get these off. Okay, we've got them. Show you what's next. Make my sauce. I just use Sweet Baby Ray's. Put it in there, probably about that much. And then tonight I'm going to thin it down with some Coca-Cola. Start with a little bit. There. It's not too thick, not too runny, just right. Okay, we'll set that aside. Here's our ribs. Yeah. Look at that. Here, let me show you. Those look good. And since these are pretty hot, get the glove up. I'm going to take these out of the foil. I'm going to take the bones out if I can get them out. I got a knife just in case they don't fall off. There's a good chance they'll just fall right off. Okay, that piece there doesn't have I got all the bones out. So now I'm just going to cut these up. For the burnt ends, I don't know why they call them burnt ends. I like calling them BBQ Bites, because they are so good. Foil, just gonna get these right in there. Well, I tell you what, I can see the smoke ring on this, on these country ribs. Okay, then we're going to add our barbecue sauce to those, thinned out with some Coca-Cola. I'm going to use about half of what I got here. I'm going to go about 15 minutes, and then I'm going to come back and put the rest in, just to kind of get a double shot of that barbecue. I want to get the glaze to stick a little bit. See there? I'm going to get these wrapped up. Well, not wrapped up. We're going to leave them open. Just kind of turn the foil. Okay. I guess I'll fold them in. Like an aluminum tray. You just use the foil you've been using. Okay, just like that. Whoa, sorry about that. He's back in. We're still at 350. Gonna go about 15 minutes, and I'm gonna come back out and sauce them up again. Okay, we're 15 minutes. Going to rest of our barbecue on there. up. All right, looks good.
Right.
We'll let it roll.
15
more minutes. Look at that. Yummy. All right, let's get these off. Look at that. Okay, and there we are. Look at that. Okay, there you have it. Country style pork burnt ends. Those are really good. Taste a little bit of that red chili powder in there. Got that cola and the Sweet Baby Ray's. Man, you gotta love it. Give it a try. Country style pork burnt ends. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. I'll keep making more videos. Thanks for watching.